Hello, I'm back today with Dixie Plates Travel 01. So if you're a traveler, if you love especially European travel, this is a great plate for you. There are a couple of different styles on here, so for different moods. So like this Parisian one has got kind of a whimsical feel, whereas like these passport stamps kind of things are a little bit more almost vintagey. You could do a vintage look with those really, really well. Cruise ships and drinks. And so if you're going on a cruise, what a great look to have, you know, like you could have this on a couple of nails, this on a couple of nails. Totally adorable. One of the things that the first thing that occurred to me when I saw this that I want to do is I want to stamp like in tone on tone, kind of like beiges and browns with this, and then stamp this in black over it. Any place that you are going or that you want to go and you can't go, but you can at least get it on your little fingertips here. You know, so Rome, Pisa, Paris, Big Ben, Parliament, the Taj Mahal, I believe, right? The Kremlin. So we've got the Netherlands. This is down in Brazil. Okay, so this is like different Paris monuments, but also now when I see the Paris thing, I think of Vegas. And I think you could actually use this for Vegas too. It uses all the different monuments and things for its casinos. So I think you could use that for a Vegas manicure too. That'd be pretty cool. And then London here with, you know, all of the different London stuff. Rome here with, and you know what? I've never seen a plate before that did this with, you know, like a little collage of all of the different landscaping things all in one image to make that super easy to play around with. You could have like this on an accent nail and stamp this on your others, or have this tone on tone in the background and then just have this pop in a different color. So lots of little things you can play around with there. And then she's got the bonjour here in the same kind of style, but if you want something a little fancier, you can do, you know, this with this. Quick one pass stuff if you want to do it. Like you could do this quick one pass over any color, and that's going to be a great traveling mani. This I think would look really cute in black over just like any kind of a gradient. So, and then let's take a look here. So this for me is really cool because I could get like that on one nail, that on another nail, that on a third nail, and then have, you know, like Big Ben as an accent nail in between. All right, so Dixie's full nail images are generally 2.1 centimeters by 2.4 centimeters. So let's see if we've got the same thing here. And yep, that's pretty much what we've got. And then to give you a feel for that stuff in the middle, there you go there. All right, let's see what we can do with this. So I'm starting with this one. This is Zoya Jack, just a neutral beige. Okay, there we go. There's a passport stamp. There we go. And there's my second one, and it may look like the stamp didn't transfer well, but if you look at the image, it has that old-fashioned-y look to it. And then I added a couple of more here. I want to do a real simple one pass for you guys with this one, and I'm going to do it over Zoya Saldana. All right, and I scraped a little bit crazy there at the bottom, but there's the rest of the image. Beautiful little Eiffel Towers all over your shimmer and your polish, very fun. All right, last one. I did a gradient here with, this is Sally Hansen Night Flight, Orange Impulse, and Zoya Karen. And there's the image. So that is super simple, but I just love it, especially if I were actually going to Pisa or, and I think especially like, so my nail would probably be about that high, so that the orangey part of the sky would be a little bit lower. And also I think this would be a good look for those the skyscapey kind of images that they have on there. So just to check them out again, there is that kind of passport stamp look. Here is the fun Paris with the shimmer and the glitter kind of look. Here is the sunset over Pisa look. Alright, I will link everything down below, and thank you for watching.